Welcome, today in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. Sure, the first thing that was our device here inside the box. Also here we got the new USB-C cable, the charger brick in white color with all of the specs here, the original one. And here we got also this paper box. Inside of this box we got the just SIM check tool and quick start guide here and safety guide. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.